I hope you are all well. Today I will tell you guys about the important question of 8601 um, of period. The paper will come from this. So guys, you you guys have to do this question. First of all, and first question is very important. It lists the role of primary teacher, why is there need of redefine the teacher role in the modern area. ठीक है. Second question is very important. What is lesson planning है? Explain its detail, the importance and systematic steps है. Then third question is very important, and fourth is mostly a very important question. So do not skip this question. This question will always repeated in exam hall. So if you solve this question paper, you will pass. You will easily pass in the examination. If you do this question, guys, you will definitely pass. Question number 6, 7, 8 is very important. So do not, dear students, skip and prepare it carefully. So dear student, like my video and subscribe my channel.